Hey everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for watching this video. Before we get started into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's right there. It's right out there. Is it there? Up there? Click and subscribe to my channel, guys. Like this video and comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this video. So by the title of this video, you guys already know it's an inspired makeup tutorial. And I'm looking like a Disney character right now. Something caught my eye of Demi Lovato's makeup look and I got inspired. I cannot pronounce the song name, so I'll leave the song right here. Basically, I followed everything of how they actually did her makeup and everything. The only thing that I did not recreate was the way that she did her hair, because I ain't no stylist and I cannot get my hair to listen to me. So I truly hope that you guys enjoy, and yeah, once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and in Instagram. Yeah, let's get started into this video, guys. Are you excited? Because I am. Let's go. Alright, so we are super zoomed in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna conceal my eyes real quick. I'm using my Colourpop concealer in the shade a Golden 40. I love this concealer so much. I love this stuff so much, guys. It's super lightweight and it's full coverage. So I'll just quickly go and blend this out and set it with my loose powder. So if you guys are wondering what I use to set my eyelids, I use the Beauty Bakery flower powder to just set my eyelids. I'm looking really like an alien right now, but let's move past that. So I'll be using the Morphe 35F palette. Is because this palette has a lot of like bronzy browns and golds. For my base, I'll be going in with this brown over here, and I'll be using my Morphe M433 brush for this. I will be going in with this brown over here. Is slightly more warmer. It has like a little bit of an orange undertone, so I do need a little bit of a warm undertone to make my crease area look nicer, guys. I go and just blend that in. I'm still using my Morphe M433 brush, and you can see the eye look is already like warmed up a little bit. You can see the definition of my eye crease, guys. So, and then I'll be picking up this shade right here, and then we're going to put it right at the outer corner only. Basically, after blended, you will look something like this, like really smoked out, and just left it right at the center of the lid. So I'll be picking up this brown shade over here, and I'm using my M167 brush. I'm just picking up that brown shade. I'm not wetting the brush at all, and I'm just gonna pack it all over the lid. But then we go in with our same M433 brush and we just blend out the edges. And I'll be picking up this shade right here. It's like a very brown gold. So I'm just like gonna pop a little bit of gold in the center. Of course, I'm using my finger. Don't mind my fingernails. I had no time to paint them. Pop them in the center. Okay, so I'm just going to tight line my waterline just to outline my eye shape. So just like that. Can you see, guys, the difference? It really defined my eye shape. So if you guys are wondering what I'm using the Hyper Sharp Liner from Maybelline, and this is like one of the best eyeliners. You can really tight line and you can really create the very nice, beautiful, sharp wing. Okay, so moving on to the face, I have not done anything to my face, so I am just going to prep my skin. So I'll just be going in with the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Primer. Just apply that all over to my face. Just exceptionally for today, I'll be going in with a pore blurring primer, because her face seems really flawless. So I'll be going in with my very cute Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, oil free. This is oil free and it's pore minimizing. So yeah, I wanted to try it out and should try it out. This is actually the first time I'm using this primer. Okay, so looking up close, it did really blur out my pores and smoothen out the skin. Okay, so going in with my foundation, I'll be going in with the Dior Forever Undercover 24-hour full coverage foundation, and it's a little bit flat on my skin, so I'm going to add a little bit warmth to my skin. So I'll be going in with the Hourglass foundation stick in the shade Amber and just put a couple of strikes on my face. For concealer, I will be going in with the same concealer that I use to conceal my eyes, and I used the wrong concealer. This is the color Pop Deep Beige 45. Now I'm going in with the golden 40. I wanted to go in with the golden 40. And one trick which I've learned from a YouTuber, her name is Jackie Aina, and she likes to put concealer around her lip area over here. Is because that's where she creases, and when I actually started doing that, it actually minimized my creasing, like from 100% all the way down to 50%. She is a very well-known YouTuber here. I took her advice and it did work. If you do not know who is she, guys, really. As you can see, just tapping motions. Do not swipe. Just tap the product in. Instantly you can see that this area here is like super soft and flawless, guys. Okay, let's quickly go ahead and set our entire face. Okay, to set my under eye area and around my mouth area, I'll be using the Beauty Bakery setting powder. And then after that, I will go in and set my entire face with the Urban Decay Naked Skin setting powder. So before we go ahead and finish off the rest of our eyes, let's go ahead and do our face. It's because her contour is like really sharp. So we'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm going to pick up the shade called Earth right here. The shade right here. So we go in really light-handed first. Okay, contour is really defined and it's only right here. Because she's very fair, so that contour color would suit her, but for on my skin it will look like really muddy. I'm just gonna take a little bit of espresso and just go at the hollow of the cheekbone, just to bring it out. Yes, now this is looking way much better than this. Yes, of course, her nose is looking snatched, so we gotta snatch up our nose. And to do my nose contour, I'm actually using like an angled brush. You can use any angled brush. This was from the collection that I did a review on, was the MSQ. So let's go ahead and finish off the eyes. I do not want to smoke out my lower lash line too much, so I'm picking up this brown over here. So you can see the black is all the way up to here, so we'll start from here. So she didn't highlight her inner corners, but she did highlight her brow bone and her cheekbones and her nose, of course, because she's looking very glowy. So I'm just gonna go and highlight my inner corner. Just picking up the very first shade over here. So I'll just go in with the nude eyeliner, not white but nude. Just go in with my normal lashes, which is the Adele 120 Demi Black. So as you can see, the lashes is on and it looks really like natural. I am using the Colourpop highlighter in Wisp, and this is the Super Shock highlighter. Yeah, it's from them. Wow, it looks really... She do have a highlighter to her brow bone. I really love applying my highlighter through a beauty blender, especially when it's cream. Okay, so I'll be going in with the Sephora lip stain. Yeah, cream lip stain in the shade 01. So this is like a very true red lipstick, really nice. But the only gloss that I have is from Kiss Me. Very lightweight but really thick lip gloss. Where you apply it, you can't really like feel it. It's not that sticky type of a lip gloss. So thank you so much for watching this video. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this inspired makeup tutorial, and also do let me know in the comments down below if you guys like me doing inspired makeup tutorials from singers and actors. Do let me know down in the comments below. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.